Before buying a stainless steel scratch remover, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1: Wyman Stainless Steel Wipes. First up, we have the Wyman Stainless Steel Cleaner Wipes. At just $4.79, this product is a bestseller and has caught the attention of over 40,000 reviewers, boasting a solid 4.7-star rating. If you're looking for something to easily clean and protect your stainless steel appliances, this is worth a serious look. So here's what makes these wipes special. They effectively remove fingerprints, grease, and water spots while leaving a protective barrier to fend off future smudges. The no-rinse application means you can wipe them down and buff for a streak-free shine in no time. Wyman's wipes are safe for all stainless steel finishes, which is perfect if you have a mix of appliances. Now, some users complain that these wipes don't actually repair existing scratches. Here's the thing, though, if your main concern is keeping your surfaces looking pristine rather than fixing scratches, these wipes will do a fantastic job. This is perfect for you if you want a quick and convenient solution for maintaining your stainless steel surfaces. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty scratch repair, but for regular cleaning, they offer excellent value. Now, if the idea of using wipes doesn't appeal to you, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 2: Rawlite Metal Polish Paste. Next, we have the Rawlite Metal Polish Paste, priced at $9.95. This heavy-duty polishing paste is designed to tackle scratches on various metals, including stainless steel, and has garnered a 4-star rating from 2,500 users. If you want something that not only cleans but also protects your metal surfaces, this could be the perfect fit. This means your surfaces stay shiny and are less likely to tarnish over time. It's also non-toxic and free from harsh chemicals, which is a big plus if you're cautious about what you use around your home. With a fine grit, it can handle everything from kitchen appliances to boats. However, some users mentioned that it can take a bit of elbow grease to get the desired shine. But honestly, if you're looking to restore heavily scratched surfaces, a little effort here is a small price to pay for a professional finish. This is perfect for you if you have various metal items and want a multi-use product. Skip this if you prefer something that requires no effort, but for those willing to put in a little work, it delivers great results. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for more extensive cleaning needs. Product number 3: Barkeeper's Friend Liquid. Now let's talk about the Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser Liquid, which comes in at $49.99 and has a 4.6-star rating from over 6,000 reviews. If you're serious about restoring your stainless steel surfaces to their original shine, this product is certainly worth considering. What stands out is the non-abrasive formula that gives you that sparkling clean without scratching your surfaces. It works wonders on a range of items, from kitchen cookware to sinks and even glass stovetops. The included non-scratch scouring cloth is a fantastic bonus, ensuring you don't damage your surfaces while cleaning. However, some users found the price a bit steep compared to simpler options. But here's the thing, if you value high-quality results and have stubborn stains or rust to tackle, the investment pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you have a lot of surfaces that need serious cleaning and restoration. Skip this if you're just looking for a quick wipe down, but for intense cleaning, it's a solid choice. Now, if you like the idea of plant-based cleaning, wait until you hear about our next product. Product number 4: Therapy Stainless Steel Cleaner. Next up is the Therapy Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish, priced at $24.95. With a 4.6-star rating from over 21,000 users, this product stands out for its plant-powered formula and pleasant lavender scent. If you're looking for a cleaner that's effective and eco-friendly, this is worth a serious look. The fact that it's safe for black stainless steel is a big plus for those modern kitchens. Plus, it comes in an easy-to-use spray bottle, making the application quick and convenient. There were a few comments about the scent being a bit strong for some, but I'll be real with you, I personally found it refreshing compared to the harsh chemical smells of other cleaners. If you're sensitive to scents, that could be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're environmentally conscious and want something that smells good while working hard. Skip this if you prefer unscented products, but for most, it's a delightful addition to your cleaning routine. Finally, if you're looking for something specifically designed for scratch removal, the last product on our list is definitely worth checking out. Product number 5, Bari's Restore It All Kit. Last but not least, we have Bari's Restore It All Scratch Be Gone Homeowner Kit, priced at $53.95. This kit has a solid 4.2-star rating and is specifically designed to remove scratches from non-coated stainless steel. If you're looking to restore scratch surfaces to their former glory, you might want to consider this product. It's perfect if you have appliances that are non-coated and need a little TLC. The instructions are easy to follow, and the kit claims to restore about 20-25 scratches, which is quite impressive. However, it's important to note that it doesn't work on all stainless steel surfaces, especially those with coatings. Some users found this restrictive, but honestly, if you're aware of your appliance's specifications, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you have non-coated stainless steel items and want to bring them back to life. Skip this if your appliances are coated or you don't want to deal with the specifics, but for the right user, it's a great investment. To wrap it up, we covered 5 fantastic stainless steel scratch removers. From Wyman's convenient wipes to Bari's Restore It All kit for heavy-duty repair, each product has its strengths and potential drawbacks. Depending on your specific needs, there's definitely something here for everyone.